Angeles, Subaybol. I'm excited to apply for HR Generalist role at Marcella Farm Incorporated. With 1 years of HR experience in Marcella Farm Incorporated, then I'm passionate about fostering positive work in the environment. Career goals is to work harder and give dignity in your life that has given to grow professionally. Then I love to contribute my skills to develop or give positive in company to grow eager. So I prioritize based on urgency or importance. So I stay calm and focus on situation and takes a break. Yes, of course, I'm willing to consider relocation. What the company we're struggling about due to deadlines or other limited resources. So I'm seeking new challenges and opportunity for growth. Then I build the relationship through communication and collaboration.